Hello students, welcome back to Sai Aadhan Classes, Maths, Physics and Chemistry. UAE and India WhatsApp numbers are given, grade 10 CBSE Chemistry, and the topic is Chemical Reactions and Equations, chapter number 1, part C. So here, to make equations more informative, what we need to do? In the last class we have discussed about how to find out how to make a balanced equation from the unbalanced equation. So the equations what you have made, how it must be more informative. So writing the symbols, if it is a gaseous state G, liquid state L, solid state S, aqueous state AQ. Writing the condition in which the reaction takes place is prior important. This condition is generally written above or below the arrow of a chemical equation. So you are going to describe how the particular and what the particular state of substance it is. And next topic will be your types of chemical reaction. What are the types of the chemical reaction? Combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, neutralization reaction, exothermic, endothermic reactions, oxidation and reduction reactions. So here you can check the first five reactions: combination, or it is also called as synthesis reaction, decomposition reaction, single replacement reaction, double replacement reaction, combustion reaction. Check the figure properly and clearly. Please check the image, and these notes are attached in the form of a PDF file. The drive link has been shared. You can get the notes as well. So combination reaction, two substances are there, A and B. When they are combining, you will get A plus B. Decomposition reaction, here A plus B will split into two, A and B. Single replacement, A and B plus C. A will occupy the place of B, B is segregated, and A and C are added over here. So only one replacement is been done. Double replacement, double displacement also we can call it as A plus B and C plus D. So A will occupy C position and B will combine with C. So A plus D and B plus C you will get. That is your double displacement. And last is your fifth one, combustion reaction. In detail we will study. Just I have given a image clarification, a shortcut form to remember these five chemical reactions. So first one will be your combination reaction. First one will be your combination reaction. So what is this combination reaction over here? Combination reaction, reaction in which two or more reactants in which two or more reactants combine to form one product. They combine together to form one product. We call it as a combination reaction. So generally we write in the format of A plus B gives rise to AB. So example, when magnesium is burned in air, that is in A we have oxygen, magnesium oxide is formed. In this reaction, magnesium is combined with oxygen. Magnesium, see here detailed explanation, magnesium which is a solid state, oxygen which is a gas, combines to form magnesium oxide. Combines to form a magnesium oxide which is a solid. So combustion reaction, calcium plus sulfur yields to calcium sulfide. So when carbon is burned in oxygen, carbon dioxide is formed. In this reaction, carbon is getting combined with oxygen. Another example. Examples. Please remember the examples in the equations so that you can write the definition and you can write the chemical equations as well. Examples play a very important role in chemistry, dear students. Second one is decomposition reaction. Reactions in which one compound decomposes into two or more compounds or elements, which are known as the decomposition reaction. One compound will decompose into two or more compounds or elements. A decomposition reaction is just the opposite of combination reaction. AB is combined when it split into A plus B. So here is an example again. Couple of examples are given. When calcium carbonate is heated, CaCO3, which is in the solid state, you are heating it, what you are going to get it? You are going to get calcium oxide, which is a solid, along with that carbon dioxide, which is a gas. Another example, decomposition reaction. Symbolically, we have represented by the help of the image so that you can remember, students. In this decomposition reaction, students, we have different types. That is your thermal decomposition. So thermal means heat. So the decomposition of a substance on heating. The decomposition of a substance on heating is known as thermal decomposition. PbNO3 twice, which is a solid. What you are doing? You are heating it. So when you are heating it, what you are going to get? 2PbO, which is a solid, 4NO2, which is a gas, and O2, which is a gas. So decomposition reaction, other examples are given so that you can remember easily. Next, electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic decomposition means here you are going to pass electricity. What you are going to pass, students? You are going to pass electricity and you are going to split the compound. So reactions in which compounds decompose into simpler compounds. Reactions in which compounds decompose into simpler compounds because of what? Passing of electricity are known as electrolytic decomposition. This is also known as electrolysis. This method is also known as electrolysis. When electricity is passed, what you are doing? You are passing electricity. It decomposes into you are passing electricity through what? Through water. It will decompose into hydrogen and oxygen. 2H2 is a liquid. It gives rise to 2H2 is a gas and O2 is a gas. It's an example of your electrolysis of water. Photolysis or photodecomposition reaction. Photolysis or photodecomposition reaction. What do you mean by this? Reactions in which a compound decomposes because of sunlight. Photon, sunlight. Because of sunlight, the compound will decompose, and it is known as photolysis or photodecomposition reaction. So when here you got silver chloride, AgCl2, AgCl is put in sunlight, it will decompose into silver, which is a solid gray color, and a chlorine gas is released. Chlorine gas is released. Photographic paper has a coat of silver chloride. Please remember this point also. Photographic plate has a coat of a silver chloride which turns into gray when exposed to sunlight. It happens because of silver chloride is colorless, while silver is a gray metal. This is an example of your photolytic decomposition reaction. 2AgCl, which is a solid, gives rise to Ag plus Cl gas. Another example is also given. Hope I am very clear till here, students. The different types of chemical reaction. The notes, this material will be uploaded along with the video in the description box. You can check the link and you can download for your reference, students. You can download for your reference, students. We will meet with part D. Any doubts, anything, you can use the comment section to clarify your doubts. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Be safe. Good day.